Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone accessory may not be supported on any iPhone, basically on the iPhone 12, 11, older versions like the XS. I want to help you out, so make sure you watch the video all the way until the end. And before we start, make sure you give the video a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot, helps us get a few more views. Subscribe if you're new. We just hit 13,300 subscribers, which is great, but the goal is to hit 100k by the end of the year. And you can also comment down below if you have any questions around this video, or if you want us to cover a topic in one of the next videos that we upload. We would love to help you out with that. So to actually fix accessory may not be supported, the main reason I got this issue and people are getting this issue, if you're using a dongle that's very cheap. For example, I had a dongle to convert my headphones into basically the lightning for the place where you charge your phone, and it just doesn't work. It's too cheap, and you should use Apple ones. Another issue is that you don't have the latest version of iOS installed. So you want to go on your settings on your iPhone, just go to general, click on software update, and you want to make sure you install the updates that you have, because if you have a very old version of iOS, chances are newer apps, newer dongles, newer accessories won't work. So you want to make sure all of that is all good, or just try connecting via Bluetooth. If you cannot connect the headphones via a headphone jack, I personally, they're Bluetooth headphones, I just use my Bluetooth. But if none of that works, maybe you want to go to a service and let your phone stay there for a while for them to check if something is stuck in your lightning port or something like that. If this video helped you out, you already know what to do. You can give me a like. Each like helps out the channel a lot. We're actually uploading hundreds of videos just like this every single week for your value. So if you still have questions, comment them down below. And for the most committed people that managed to watch the video all the way until the end, comment down below which country are you watching this video from, because I'm curious to know. I want to see you in one of the next videos.